I've been interested in surgery ever since I was in high school when my neighbor, a surgeon, let me observe him in the operating room. I was fascinated by how you could use knowledge, skill, and precision in helping patients. Hello, I'm Dr. Theodore Perry, a board-certified surgeon with more than 2 decades of experience in general surgery. Patients come to see me for a wide range of concerns like hernias, gallbladder disease, breast cancer, and intestinal or colon issues. In addition to the more traditional areas of general surgery, I also have a particular focus on thyroid and parathyroid surgery. What I enjoy most about my work is helping patients truly understand their diagnosis and partnering with them on a plan to move forward. I explain complex issues in understandable language so you know your options and what's involved in the best way to manage your problem. I'm passionate about what I do, and I'm grateful for the trust my patients place in me. I feel truly blessed to do the work that helps people on a daily basis.